Hey guys, here for another Android video. In this video, I'm going to show with you guys the new features added to the PlayStation app for mobile devices. This is the Android, but it has been updated as well for iOS. So right here, when you open it up after the update, this is the way it's going to look. If I'm not mistaken, it actually looks the same. I can't remember how it did look, but right here you got your friends. If you tap on one of them, it'll take you to the friends. Here you got what's new. When you tap right there, just like the PlayStation 4, it has a section what's new. You can see everything right there. Very cool. But all this is basically same as before. I don't think anything changed here. You can see live broadcasters right here, who's live, features, interactive, and all that. Still, one feature that I was hoping to get is that once you tap on a video, you can actually play the video from the app itself. But no, it still takes you to the web browser, still opens the browser, which kind of sucks. Right here, if you tap right there, the broadcaster, you can still send a friend request and send a message as well to the broadcaster. And that's it. Nothing really changed right there. But one big change, which is something a lot of people were wanting, is the trophies deletion 0% deletion trophies. What that mean is that some people want to delete games that have 0%, and you're never gonna play that game again. And sometimes, I don't like the way it looks. So right here, for example, I'm gonna show you guys how you do it here in this game at Podian. If it has 0%, go right there. And if I don't want that trophy game with 0% appear in my trophy list, I could go ahead and click right here, delete, and it says trophy information for the following application will be deleted. Go ahead and click OK. And now the trophy is not gonna, the game is not gonna be available in your list, which is a very convenient because now you don't have a trophy, 0% trophy. Right here I have another one with 0% and another one right here as well. Like you see there, Secret Panchos. I'm still thinking of playing that game, so I'm not going to delete that one. But if a game already has trophies, you're not going to see the option for deletion. For example, if I go right here to Bloodborne and I click right there, it opens up. Like you see, I don't have the delete button. That's because I already got a trophy. But once, if it doesn't has a delete button, if it doesn't have trophies, is gonna have the delete button, which is good. Here you can still compare the trophies with your friends. Like you see there, online friends and all that. Another difference here in this app, although another new feature, is click right there. Let's go to settings. Right here in accessibility, click right there, and now you can control the large text, bold text, and high contrast. Tap right there, like you see here, the text change size. That looks very cool. Like you see there, you can see the size of the text changing. Bold, click it, and you can see the size of the text changing as well to bold. Very cool. And high contrast, look at that. That looks very cool. I like the high contrast because it looks a lot deeper blue. And let's go ahead and see how it looks now. Look at that. That looks insanely big. Insanely big. The letters and all that. It looks a little bit more saturated there to the colors as well, which is good. That I like it. But the letters, for me, it looks too big. So you could go ahead and change it again. Let's go ahead and change it to let's go back here. I would take away the bold and leave the large. Let's see how it looks now. I think it looks a little bit better now. Don't you think? Another thing you could do here, like for example, when you go here, like you see, if you swipe, it has like a little effect. And every time you open something, it has like a little effect. It's very minimal, but sometimes that effect can make your phone slow or can make the app slow. If you're having a problem with the app being slow, you can go ahead here and use animation effects. You can uncheck it, and once you uncheck it, the app is going to be a lot more snappier. So I don't remember if that feature was there before, but now it is. If it wasn't, now it is. But I don't remember that feature being there. Maybe it was and I never noticed it, but that's a cool thing there. One thing to keep in mind, if you do that, you don't have the option. Like you see there, you can't slide to the section. You would have to tap right there. Here you got the profile. Like you see, you got the profile. You can see my real name. Edit profile. I click right there. Real name, you could change it. Profile picture, you could change it. And right here, you could take a photo using the camera of your app, of your phone, and put it as your user profile. Not bad. I can't remember if you could do that before, but if it wasn't, now you can, which is cool. You can change your picture on the fly, and if you change it here, it's gonna automatically change on the PlayStation 4 as well. That's cool. Or you could go ahead and click right here, and you click there, it'll take you to the gallery and all that. And that's it. Other than that, here you got your information, recent activity. Here you got all your friends. Everything's pretty much the same. Nothing really changed besides that. Here, let's go ahead back over here, connect to the PlayStation 4. Right now, I'm connected to the PlayStation 4. If I go to the screen, second screen, like you see here, I could go and swipe right there. I go press the back button, the home button, or the back button, or the option button. And if I could go like that, you see there, I can see the keyboard. If you're gonna type something, you could go ahead and use the keyboard to type from your phone, which is very handy. And that's it, guys. Other than that, I can't see any other update right now. You still, when you open up the PlayStation Store, it still makes you open the browser, which kind of sucks. I wish everything was integrated to the app, the Twitch and the store, but it still takes you to the web browser. And from here, of course, you can buy games and make them install automatically on your PlayStation 4 if your PlayStation 4 is on standby. Other than that, nothing really changed. Let's go and leave it right there. I really like the contrast, looks pretty cool. Other than that, not much to show you guys. So guys, that's it for this video. Just want to share with you guys some of the new features here on the PlayStation app for mobile devices, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Till next time.